Welcome to JH. Today, we will show you how to include your PMP certification on your LinkedIn profile in under 5 minutes. Whether you have recently earned your project management professional status or simply want your digital presence to showcase your verified expertise, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and effectively. Start by heading over to linkedin.com. This is the primary starting point for updating your professional credentials. Once the page loads, sign into your account using your preferred method, such as Google, Microsoft, or your standard email and password. If you use two-factor authentication, you might need to enter a verification code sent to your mobile device. While it takes an extra moment, this step is vital for keeping your profile secure. After logging in and reaching your homepage, look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon. Choose View Profile from the resulting drop-down menu. Your profile acts as your online resume and is the best place to highlight new achievements. Just below your profile picture, find and click the Add Profile section button. This tool serves as your gateway to customizing your profile with new milestones. Open the recommended category and select Add Licenses and Certifications to open a new input window. In the name box, type Project Management Professional. For the issuing organization, enter Project Management Institute, or PMI. This is a key detail that adds essential credibility to your listing. Next, input the date you officially received the certificate to ensure your timeline is accurate and up to date. You can also provide a credential ID or a direct link to your certificate if you have them. These details allow recruiters and contacts to verify your success instantly. Once you have verified that all the information is correct, click the Save button. Your PMP status is now live and visible to your network and potential employers. Well done on updating your profile. Thanks for watching, and check out our other videos for more career-building advice.